In this video, you'll learn how to kick people from your Slack channel. This process involves managing members and deactivating accounts to ensure your workspace remains secure and organized. Begin by opening your Slack application. Once the app is loaded, navigate to the specific channel from which you want to remove a member. You can find your channels listed on the left sidebar under the section labeled Channels. Click on the channel name to enter it. Next, locate the admin section within the channel. This option is typically found in the top right corner of the channel interface. Clicking on admin will redirect you to a management interface where you can oversee channel members. After entering the admin section, look for the option labeled Manage Members. This will display a list of all current members in the channel. Identifying the user you wish to remove is essential at this stage, as you will be taking action on their account. Once you have the member list visible, find the 3 vertical dots icon next to the name of the member you want to kick. This icon often represents additional options. Clicking on these dots will present a drop-down menu with further actions. In the drop-down menu, select the option that reads Revoke Invitation. This action is necessary if the user has not yet accepted their invitation. If they have accepted, you will need to proceed with the next steps. To deactivate a user who has already joined the channel, return to the 3 dots icon next to their name. This time, choose the option that says Deactivate User. A confirmation message will appear detailing the implications of deactivation. You will see a message explaining what happens when an account is deactivated. It is important to note that the member will no longer be able to sign into the workspace. However, their messages and files will still remain accessible in Slack, allowing for continuity in communication. Finally, click on the button that reads Deactivate to confirm your decision. This action will finalize the removal of the member from your Slack channel. After this process, the user will be unable to access the channel and its contents. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.